Let's give a new look to a used glass bottle. How? Let's begin. Hi all. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give a new look to a used glass bottle, and I have spray painted it in white and then gave 2 coats of silver paint with a dauber, small dauber or a big one, whatever you feel like working with. And now I am going to stick rice on this, and I am using hot glue for this purpose. It's hot, that's why I'm using this thing. It's a broken handle of a pan, I think. You can use anything that's handy, so please don't burn your fingers. When you're applying glue, apply it in small chunks. Otherwise, it would get cool or dry and your rice won't stick. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would say consider subscribing. Hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Stick the rice like this till the end of the bottle, but I am not going to cover the whole of the bottle, just this part of the bottle. That's how I finished sticking rice. I just wanted to show how I close this thing up. Remember to press the rice or the rice would get loose and fall down. Before sticking rice, I had given 2 coats of silver paint. Now the third one I'm going to give in front of your eyes, and I'm using silver acrylic color for this. This is brush number 11. First of all, we are going to paint the rice and we are going to paint them silver. Then we are going to give the last coat of paint to the bottle. When I was done with painting the bottle, I had sprayed it with acrylic lacquer, and if you don't want to use acrylic lacquer, I suggest you give it a coat of varnish, so this would be permanent, the whole painting you have done on the bottle. And if you are hearing some traffic noise, please ignore it because where I'm sitting the road is very near, that's why you are hearing such sounds. Now I'm going to paint the bottle in front of your eyes with small dauber, and I'm using silver acrylic paint, the same paint I had used on the rice. Paint the whole of the bottle like this. I had made these decorative things with ribbon, and if you're interested, I'm going to bring more videos about these. What I've done here, I have cut 2 round pieces of jute, then stuck them with the hot glue and painted silver at the top of that jute piece. Now I'm going to stick that piece on the bottle with hot glue. And I'm going to put all the decorations on this piece of jute. First of all, I'm sticking the leaves, and these are made with organza ribbon in silverish sky blue color. And I'm sticking those leaves to the main flower. Now put a dot of glue here and put your flower and leaves on it. Press them a bit down so that they stick firmly. Now I'm going to stick these small flowers. First flower I have stuck on the jute piece. But you're gonna see what I'm going to do with the next flower. I am going to stick this flower on the petal of the main flower. And I'm going to do the same with this third flower, exactly at the opposite end of the second flower. Your bottle is done. It's decorated and complete. This is where I had put my bottle and decorated my cabinet, and it's in my TV lounge. Hope you're gonna enjoy this project as much as I have enjoyed it. Have a nice day.